Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, we're going to be doing a little bit of a mini Dollar Tree haul. So if that interests you, just keep on watching. But before that, don't forget, if you like drugstore makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell so you're notified whenever I upload. And if you could like the video if you like it, I'm going to get right into it now. So we do have a little bit of a repurchase. You guys know I love this product. I just did a whole talking about my e.l.f. makeup video, basically giving you guys a bunch of reviews on everything that I own from e.l.f. That video is going to be down below. We actually went ahead and reviewed this product as well. I already own it. I went ahead and bought a backup because I love this product so much. I actually have it on the brows today. It's basically a brow wax. It's just clear and it's a really nice product. It retails for $1 at the Dollar Tree, but I believe on the e.l.f. website it retails for $3. And this is called their Shape and Stay Brow Pencil in Clear. Amazing. I rave about it all the time. I use this in my Dollar Tree video as well, which is going to be down below if you want to watch how it performed. So amazing, definitely recommend. So I definitely needed a backup. We're not going to go in any particular order, just whatever I grabbed from the basket is what we're talking about. The next product is this Hershey's milk chocolate flavored lip gloss. So I did purchase this as well as the Reese's one. These are so cute, and this one is called the peanut butter and chocolate flavored lip gloss. Both of them are just a lip gloss, really cute. Don't really expect anything amazing from these, but just the packaging is adorable. I love both of these chocolates, so I was like, I need to pick them up. The Hershey's especially looks so stunning, especially with like a nude type of lip. And then the Reese's actually do have two Reese's palettes that I just recently purchased, so we're going to be using this alongside those palettes. So I thought it fit perfectly with that theme. So yeah, I'm so excited about these and I can't wait to try them on the lips and see how they look. But they do have like little glitters in them. This is the Reese's one up close, so adorable. And then up here you can definitely gift it to somebody. It says to and from, so adorable. Same thing goes with the Hershey's one, so cute. And these do come in different varieties. They even had just like the regular lip balms, so in this type of packaging. I'll have the finds on the screen from my Dollar Tree that I posted on Instagram, and so cute. Definitely can't wait to use these. So I did end up finding a primer. This is the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Blurring Primer. I was a little scared because it's a little dirty, like it looked like it's been there for a while, but when I did open it, it still has a seal on it, so I don't think anybody like used it or anything. So it's new, so that's how I felt comfortable purchasing it. But it did look like it's been there for a while. It was the last one, so I ended up just grabbing it. Let me know if you own this. Let me know what you think about it down below. I've never tried a lot of Hard Candy products. The only products that I've ever owned from them are from the Dollar Tree, and I really can't wait to try this out. So it says it's a 12-hour perfected soft focus blur effect, selfie approved. It's just a blurring primer, so we'll see how this works. Again, we're not going in any particular order. Next, I grabbed the Hard Candy Glamouflage full cover foundation. It says it's 16-hour wear, oil free, and the only one that was available is the one in buff, so we'll see how I'll make this work. It's definitely lighter than my skin tone, but I was really excited to see this at my Dollar Tree, and it was the last one as well. Haven't opened it. I want to see what kind of applicator it has. Okay, so it does come with a doe foot applicator, which is really interesting. So we'll see how I'll make this work. I did purchase a couple other Hard Candy products. I did mention them in my last drugstore haul that I posted. I did do a massive drugstore haul. If I didn't mention that in the intro, I'll have the playlist linked down below so you can watch that and catch up with that. I'm still doing a couple makeup videos concerning the makeup products that I purchased in that drugstore haul, but I really did want to film this for you guys and let you guys know what I purchased at my Dollar Tree, because they have so many great things. And yeah, this is one of them. Hopefully we can make it match my skin tone because it is rather light, but that's how it is at the Dollar Tree. You always get a limited amount of shades, but I just grabbed it. I was like, I'll make it work, I don't care. And like I mentioned, if you do want to watch the other things that I purchased, go ahead and head to the other drugstore haul that I just posted a couple weeks ago. There were a couple other Hard Candy products. Yeah, this is basically a Hard Candy haul. The next product that I found was their setting powder, and this is their oil-free loose powder, and it's a transparent powder from Hard Candy. I could not pass this up. You guys know I have oily skin. Really difficult to find powders that look nice on the skin, that are meant for oily skin as well, that are oily skin friendly, because a lot of them just make you oily throughout the day. They don't really help with the longevity of your foundation. So I really can't wait to try this one out. It's really cute, and they did have quite a bit of these at my Dollar Tree. It is a translucent powder, so hopefully it doesn't leave any type of white cast or cause any flashback when you're taking photos. Not that it matters, but still. So we'll see how this works. If you guys want to see a Dollar Tree like full face using everything in this video, let me know down below and I'll definitely film that for you guys. But I'm so excited about this powder. So this is a product I've been using. If you watched my city color video, I use this product in there and I love this product. It even went to Vegas with me because I wanted to wear it on days that I didn't really wear a lot of makeup because it was so hot out there. This is the Hard Candy Plumping Serum, and this one is in the shade Crush on You. It's so stunning, and watch that video so you guys can see how it looks on the lips. It's so beautiful. I love this shade. It also comes in a couple other shades. I'll have the finds if I have them on the screen that I posted on my Instagram, and if you don't already follow me on Instagram, I have a link down below. I post makeup finds from drugstore to high-end, and I always go to the Dollar Tree, from the 99-cent store to Macy's, everywhere on there, so go ahead and follow me there. So yeah, I did pick this up and I love it. I'm so excited about it, and I can't wait to purchase some other shades because it's so nice. The tingling sensation isn't crazy, which I love, and it's just so nice. It just makes your lips look so plump and beautiful, and it's so shiny. I love this product. I'm so glad that I picked it up. We're getting down to the last couple products. They're all like lip products. So this is their Velvet Mousse in the shade Buttercup, and they had quite a bit of these in the Dollar Tree that I went to, and so many other shades as well. So let's take a look at the product. That's a nice doe foot. Oh, it smells so good, and we're gonna give this one a swatch. Oh, it's a really pretty shade. I definitely wanted to pick a nude out just because I've been more into nudie type of shades, and I think this is gonna work perfectly. It's so beautiful. I also went ahead and picked up the one that's in this type of packaging. I don't know if they're the same. Oh no, this one's called their Cashmere Silk Demi Matte formula, and apparently it's a new formula. And I got the shade Biscotti, which is a deeper kind of tone. All right, it came out rather easily. There's the look at this one, and this one's so cute. This is a Demi Matte, again in the shade Biscotti. So this one does come with more of a gloss kind of doe foot. No scent. And there's a look at, so this one is more glossy. Oh, that's really nice. Oh, that's gonna look so stunning over top that other lip. This is so cute. Can't wait to try this one out. And lastly, I got one of the Glitterati Press and Play Glitter Reveal Lip Color. I do watch another person here on YouTube. So amazing. She's under Behind the Vanity. Definitely check her out. She does a lot of Dollar Tree videos. She did recently try one of these. I believe it was also a Dollar Tree haul. And basically it's like those other lip products that came out like a couple years ago where you put it on and then you press your lips together and it reveals some glitter. Basically that's what this is. And I got mine in the shade Dazzle. Looks so stunning. I love this packaging. Ooh, so there's a look at that product. So cute. Love the packaging. It does have like this studded kind of opening, like the top. Oh, interesting. Okay, no scent. We did grab a lot of products, so there's a look at that one. So apparently when you can even already see a little bit of shimmers in there. You press your lips together and it reveals glitter. So I can't wait to try this out. This is such a stunning shade. So beautiful. Definitely can't wait to try that on the lips. So cute. And with that, we made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. Everything that I talked about, all the names of the prices are going to be down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget I upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sundays. If you could stick around, that would be amazing. I have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a lot of makeup finds from drugstore to high-end, so if that interests you, go ahead and follow me there. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person and make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.